Hey guys, Dewalt sponsored us to come out and check out their World of Concrete booth at the trade show and to see what new tools had come out. The first thing that we checked out was the Dewalt Tuff System 2.0. The biggest update was the latches. Latches on the front, latches on the side, and latches on the top. First, the stamped steel latches from the original Tuff System have been replaced. They're gone with a much bigger, beefier injection molded piece that has a more positive and robust feel. Secondly, the side latches have been updated as well, and the new latches feature a quick connect design. It's going to allow them to automatically snap into place with a case that's basically set into them. What's awesome though is that they're fully compatible with the original Tuff System cases. Fully compatible. An old case can be put anywhere into the stack, and it's fantastic backwards compatibility. I like that. Third, Dewalt added a little pop-up T-latch on the lids of the new boxes. This allows the new half-size organizers that they have to click into place. The Dewalt Tuff System 2.0 is keeping the good parts of the first iteration and fixing the things that needed to be fixed. And the best part is that it's completely backwards compatible. I know I said that, but it's pretty amazing. These updates are coming out Q2 of 2020. Now, Dewalt, obviously, they've had 3 cordless SDS Max hammers in the FlexVolt system for a little bit, but there was a small hole in the middle of that lineup. They were missing something. So at the World of Concrete, we were introduced to their newest member of the Dewalt FlexVolt SDS Max family. It's a 1 3/4 inch SDS Max. It's a DCH 614. And when Ricky, the product manager, started showing off this tool and telling us how much effort and thought went into it, a quote from Iron Man 3 kind of ran through my head. Do you know the one I'm talking about? I'm pleased to announce the imminent arrival of your bouncing, badass baby brother. Well, here it is. What makes this tool great is that it fits into the Goldilocks zone of the lineup. It fills that middle void. It is the capacity of taking care of most contractors' needs, and it's affordably priced. Its quick stats are, it's got 10.5 joules of impact energy, 380 RPMs. It is 15 pounds, not bad. It has a 1-second sync for wireless tool control, and it is optimized for 5/8 through 1 1/4 inch holes. All right, as far as price goes, it comes in around $8.99 kitted and $5.99 is a bare tool. So Dewalt now has SDS hammers at $7.99, $8.99, $9.99, and $10.99. So a contractor can ensure that they can find the right tool that makes the most sense for their work. They've got a full range now. The SDS Max hammer wasn't the only cool thing though that we saw at the booth. The new cordless pipe threader was there, along with a new inline stud and joist drill. The stud and joist drill comes in a regular or a quick change chuck, which is nice. We also got to try out their the FlexVolt mixer drill, and while this tool is not new, it's the first time that we got to try it, and it definitely has a little bit of power. It's nice. If you have to mix up a quick bag of mixed concrete or thin set drywall mud, check this drill out. It can mix up to 9 5-gallon pails of concrete per charge, and that's on a 6 amp hour battery. The biggest introduction though was their 12 amp fast charger, DCB 1112. It can charge the largest battery that Dewalt has on the FlexVolt platform, the 12 amp hour battery, 1 hour. That means that any of the rest of their battery sizes will charge in less time than that. So 1 hour is your max time. Dewalt also introduced 2 new grinder cutting dust shrouds, both for their 7-inch and their 4.5, 5-inch grinders. The grinder cutting dust shrouds feature adjustable shoes that provide easy depth of cut adjustment and multiple windows for blade visibility, so you can see that blade while you're cutting. The plunging system helps improve dust control. Basically, when you're starting and selecting and finishing, I should say, starting and finishing the cut on that plunge. They also had a few other things that were new, but it's hard to fit them all into, one summary video, and we didn't capture everything on video. It was a pretty busy booth. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, throw us a thumbs up, leave a comment, Is there something that we didn't cover on Dewalt that you'd like to see? We probably have the picture somewhere. I'm Rob Robillard, and we'll see you next time here at Toolbox Buzz.